Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to remove the Honda Odyssey middle seat. Start by folding the seat backs and pulling the release straps to lower the seat. Remove surrounding trim with a flat tool to reveal mounting bolts and any electrical connectors. Unbolt the seat with a 10 mm socket while your helper steadies it. Lift the seat straight up and out, keeping it level to avoid carpet snags and wiring damage. Then store hardware in a labeled bag. Gather gloves, a 10 mm socket, extension, pry tool, and a helper before starting. Disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent electrical issues when removing seats. Clear the floor and pockets so nothing falls into tracks, and wear knee pads for comfort. Lay a blanket over trim and carpet to avoid scratches while lifting the seat. Keep bolts organized by location and count them as you remove them to simplify reinstallation later. Release the seat latches, fold the seat backs, and pull the rear release to free the cushion. Unplug any electrical connectors carefully and tape them for safety. Remove the visible bolts at each mounting point using the 10 mm socket and extension. Have your helper tilt the seat back while you check under for hidden fasteners. Lift straight up and remove the seat, then inspect the floor track and clean any debris before reinstalling.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.